Are you thinking about remodeling your bathroom this year? Well, before you start, there are a few mistakes you need to know about. We're TETOTE, a brand with over 20 years of experience in bathroom products. Over the years, we've seen many remodeling mistakes that could have been easily avoided. So today we're breaking down 5 common bathroom remodel mistakes based on over 2,000 real renovation discussions from Reddit users and how you can avoid wasting time and money. Let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes people make is choosing shower tiles only based on how they look. For shower floors, appearance is important, but safety comes first. A simple rule: choose smaller tiles, around 2 inches or less. More grout lines provide better traction, especially in wet areas. And always check the slip resistance rating. For shower floors, look for a wet DCOF rating of 0.60 or higher. For general bathroom floors, 0.42 or higher is usually enough. Never skip waterproof testing just to save a few days, because if something goes wrong after your tiles are installed, you may have to tear out an entire wall and redo the work, wasting both time and money. Here's a simple way to test your waterproofing. Block the drain, fill the shower area with about 1 inch of water, and wait 24 hours. If there is no leakage, your waterproofing is ready. Planning a dream bathroom is exciting, but ordering custom pieces too early can create expensive problems. Don't rush to buy your bathtub, shower door, or custom pieces before the walls and tiles are finished. Tile thickness can change your final measurements by several millimeters, enough to make a product that doesn't fit. Finish tile installation first, measure again, then order. Another common mistake happens when people buy bathroom fixtures separately: a mirror they love, a vanity they like, and lights they picked individually, but together, they don't work. The easiest way to avoid this: follow the 70-30 design rule. Choose one main finish for about 70% of your hardware and use another finish as an accent. Also, always consider proportions. Your mirror, vanity, and lighting should be balanced in size, not too small, not overwhelming. A beautiful bathroom is not about having the most expensive products. It's about making every element work together. Most bathroom remodels end up costing more than the original quote, not because the plan was wrong, but because walls often hide problems you can't see until demolition begins. Rotten subfloors, old pipes, mold behind tiles. These aren't rare surprises. They're common parts of remodeling. The easiest solution? Add a 15 to 20% buffer to your budget before you start. If nothing happens, great, you keep the money, but if something does happen, you're prepared. Now you know the biggest mistakes to avoid during a bathroom remodel. By planning ahead, you can save yourself a lot of time, money, and stress. In our next episode, we'll talk about the biggest challenges when remodeling an older bathroom. Follow TETOTE and stay tuned for more bathroom renovation tips.